It's Ashley Bolden, Keller Williams Real Estate in Everett. I'm here to bring you your North Everett market update. We're talking about the zip code 98201. So look, we're going to get right to the data. All right, we're going to get right to the data. All right, North Everett. So what happened last month? Man, I'm telling you, slow down. I mean, I think it felt like that kind of like all over the city. I had listings that go on competitive pricing, and a house that maybe should have had like 15 offers, you got like 4. All right. But a lot of people would say, hey, it was still a good market. Overall, it was still good. You could still sell a house. And it was definitely faster than it normally is in a December. So we had 14 new listings hit the market, and those were listed at an average listing price of about $505,000. We had 12 properties go pending, and we had 37 that sold. The 37 that sold for an average price of about $532,000. And this number here, month supply 0.2, that means that we had about 6 days of inventory. We've had that issue all for a couple of years now. I mean, the inventory has just been extremely low. And the average amount of time that the house stayed on the market before accepting an offer was 15 days. So yes, we definitely saw a slowdown. Were houses selling for less than asking price? I mean, you can see the numbers on average. No, they did not. They just sold, a little bit above, right? $25,000, and that's really it's fairly consistent with the, maybe with the new norm for the holidays season, right? Usually we have like a pretty good slowdown at this time of year. And, I know we saw that, right? We saw less listings. We saw less competition. We saw less, so I think if you recall, this year in 2021, there were a couple of months where houses were going for 10% over asking. This month, it was like about 2%. So, it definitely did slow down a bit, and it's just not as slow as it would have been, normally. Like if you go back and look at 2016, 2017, 2018 data. All right. If you are thinking about buying or selling a home anywhere in the area, please reach out to me. We'd be definitely happy to help. I think that if you are looking at buying a house, interest rates have been slowly creeping up. So your buying power is slowly deteriorating. That's one issue. The market continues to have very low supply, so very competitive. And if you're kind of on that edge of affordability, probably if you end up waiting this entire year or waiting until the summer, it's very likely that you'll just be kind of like priced out of your price range, right? Like you just won't be able to get what you thought you were going to be able to get initially. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Let's see what the Magic 8-Ball says. Is the market going to be good this year? Like, is it going to still be hot? Is the market going to favor buyers this year? Okay, man, I can't ask too many complicated questions. Is the market going to continue to favor sellers this year? It says absolutely. Absolutely.